Are you ready to give your HVAC system the VIP treatment it deserves? Well, buckle up because we've got something special just for you. Here's a provocative question for you: is your home's comfort at its peak, or is there room for improvement? When it comes to your heating and air conditioning systems, investing in their long-term health is a smart move. That's why we're excited to introduce the Comfort Club membership, designed to keep your HVAC equipment in tip-top shape. Let's dive into the benefits. First up, you'll receive 2 annual maintenance service visits. Our expert technicians will perform regular tune-ups to ensure your HVAC equipment is running at its best. By staying proactive, you'll save yourself from potential headaches down the road. But that's not all. As a Comfort Club member, you'll enjoy a sweet 15% discount on AC and heater repairs. Say goodbye to overpaying and keep your home comfortable all year round, without breaking the bank. Plus, we've got another treat for you. Breathe easy with our discounted high-quality indoor air quality (IAQ) products. As a Comfort Club member, you'll receive 15% off on IAQ products, helping you create a healthier and cleaner environment for yourself and your loved ones. And that's not all, there are even more savings coming your way. We've got 15% off on duct cleanings, too. Maintaining optimal airflow and reducing dust has never been more affordable. Clean ducts mean better efficiency and improved air quality. Who doesn't want that? We understand that you want the best for your home, and that's why we've assembled a team of expert technicians you can trust. Let's take a look at what makes our technicians stand out from the crowd. Our factory-trained professionals are the backbone of our team. They've undergone extensive training to ensure your heating and cooling systems run smoothly. You can count on their expertise to keep your home comfortable all year round. Your safety and peace of mind are of utmost importance to us. That's why each technician undergoes a thorough drug test and background check. We create a safe environment for you, knowing that our technicians meet the highest standards. When our technician arrives at your door, you'll notice they proudly wear the technician's seal of safety. It's a badge that represents their commitment to providing exceptional service while performing routine tune-ups on your HVAC system. So, rest easy knowing that our team of experts has your back. We're here to handle all your HVAC requirements with professionalism and care. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: saving money. Did you know that periodic maintenance visits can actually help you save big in the long run? Let me break it down for you. Our expert technicians excel at catching problems early on. By identifying and fixing minor issues before they turn into major headaches, we save you from costly repairs down the line. It's all about nipping those problems in the bud. With fewer major breakdowns, you won't have to suffer through extended periods without heating or cooling. Say goodbye to those uncomfortable days and nights, and enjoy uninterrupted comfort all year round. Here's the cherry on top: preventative care means your HVAC system will last longer, providing even more value from your Comfort Club membership investment. So, by joining our Comfort Club membership, not only will you save money on repairs and enjoy discounted IAQ products and duct cleanings, but you'll also extend the lifespan of your HVAC system. It's a win-win situation. Ready to take your home's comfort to the next level? Contact Anthem at 760-895-2621 for the Coachella Valley and 951-389-5151 for Inland Empire, and let us show you how the Comfort Club membership can transform your HVAC experience. Our friendly team is here to answer any questions you may have and guide you through the enrollment process. Invest in the long-term health of your HVAC system, enjoy the expertise of our qualified technicians, and save money with preventative maintenance. It's time to give your home the comfort it deserves. Join the Comfort Club today.